Hi everyone, welcome back to another quick guide. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money into your Skrill account in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First of all, open the Skrill app or visit the Skrill website. Log in with your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, click the deposit button on the app. It's usually right on the main screen on the website. You will find it in the menu or dashboard. From here, click Add Money or plus icon. Select your preferred deposit method, such as a credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Skrill also supports other options like prepaid cards or local payment methods, depending on your region. Enter the required details like the amount you want to deposit and your payment information, then confirm your transaction. Once you confirm, the funds will be added to your Skrill account instantly or within a short time, depending on the method you choose. And that's it. Depositing money is Skrill is quick and easy. If this guide helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.